How can I create an effective slogan for my business or brand?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can create an effective slogan for your business or brand. An impactful slogan can significantly enhance your brand recognition and customer recall.
What is a slogan?
A slogan is a catchy phrase or sentence that represents your brand's mission, culture, and values. It's often the first thing that customers associate with your brand, so it's crucial that it's memorable and impactful.
What makes a good slogan?
So, what exactly makes a good slogan? Here are a few key points to keep in mind. 1. Clarity. The slogan should clearly convey your brand's message. 2. Simplicity. Keep it short and easy to understand. 3. Memorability. It should be catchy and easy to remember. 4. Consistency. The slogan should be in line with your brand's image and values.
How to create an effective slogan?
Now, let's get down to business. Here's how you can create an effective slogan for your brand. 1. Understand your brand. First and foremost, you need to understand your brand's core values, mission, and target audience. This will help you create a slogan that accurately reflects your brand. 2. Brainstorm. Get your creative juices flowing and come up with as many ideas as possible. Don't worry about the quality at this point. The goal is to have a wide variety of options to choose from. 3. Keep it short and simple. Once you have a list of potential slogans, aim for simplicity and brevity. A good slogan is usually not more than 5 to 7 words. 4. Make it memorable. Use techniques like alliteration, rhymes, or powerful adjectives to make your slogan catchy and memorable. 5. Ensure it's unique. Do some research to make sure your slogan isn't already being used by another brand. 6. Test it out. Finally, test your slogan on your target audience. This can be through surveys, focus groups, or social media polls. Their feedback can help you refine your slogan and make it more effective. Creating an effective slogan takes time and thought, but it's well worth the effort. A powerful slogan can leave a lasting impression and play a significant role in shaping your brand's identity. We hope this video has been helpful and wish you the best of luck in creating an amazing slogan for your brand.